Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Maintaining a healthy libido becomes essential for overall well-being and intimacy as we age. A vibrant sex drive can enhance relationships and boost self-esteem, making it necessary to explore natural ways to support sexual health. In this video, we'll delve into the best foods and natural supplements that can effectively enhance libido for individuals aged 50 and older. From nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables to powerful herbal supplements, we'll provide valuable insights into how these choices can revitalize your sex drive. Stay tuned to discover simple yet effective libido boosters that can help you enjoy a fulfilling and passionate life. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding libido and aging. As individuals age 50 and beyond, it's common to experience a natural decline in libido. This change is often influenced by hormonal shifts, particularly a decrease in testosterone for men and estrogen for women, which can impact sexual desire. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as stress, diet, and physical activity play a significant role in sexual health. Addressing these changes is crucial, as a healthy libido is not just about physical intimacy. It also contributes to emotional well-being and relationship satisfaction. Understanding these factors can empower individuals to take proactive steps toward enhancing their sexual health. Tribulus terrestris is gaining recognition as a powerful natural libido enhancer. This herb is known to potentially increase testosterone levels, which can significantly enhance sexual desire and performance. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, Tribulus has been valued for its ability to support sexual health and vitality. Numerous studies have explored its effectiveness, with some research indicating that it may improve sexual function and satisfaction in both men and women. By incorporating Tribulus terrestris into your wellness routine, you may experience a boost in libido, making it a promising option for those looking to revitalize their sexual health naturally. Maca root is celebrated for its remarkable ability to boost libido and enhance sexual function. This powerful adaptogen can improve energy levels and stamina, making it a popular choice for those seeking to revitalize their sex drive. Maca supports hormonal balance, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy libido, especially as we age. Anecdotal evidence from users often highlights increased sexual desire and improved performance. Additionally, research findings suggest that maca may positively influence sexual health, with studies indicating enhanced sexual function in both men and women. Incorporating maca root into your diet could be a game changer for your libido. Red ginseng has long been revered for its potential to enhance libido and improve sexual performance. This powerful herb is known to improve erectile function, leading to greater sexual satisfaction for both men and women. Historically, red ginseng has been used in traditional medicine to promote vitality and overall well-being, making it a staple in many cultures. Scientific studies support its benefits for sexual health, with research indicating that red ginseng can increase sexual arousal and improve erectile function in men. By incorporating red ginseng into your routine, you may experience renewed vitality and enhanced sexual experiences. Fenugreek is gaining attention for its impressive benefits in enhancing libido and sexual desire. This herb is known to potentially increase testosterone levels, which can lead to improved sexual function and satisfaction. Rich in nutrients, fenugreek boasts a profile that includes vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to overall health beyond just libido enhancement. Research findings support its effectiveness, with studies indicating that fenugreek supplementation can significantly boost sexual health and desire in both men and women. By incorporating fenugreek into your diet, you may not only elevate your libido, but also enjoy a range of additional health benefits. Saffron is renowned not only for its culinary uses, but also for its potential to positively impact libido and sexual function. Known for its mood-enhancing properties, saffron can help alleviate stress and anxiety, which are common barriers to sexual desire. This vibrant spice has historically been used as an aphrodisiac in various cultures and is celebrated for enhancing intimacy and connection. Scientific studies have linked saffron to improved sexual function, with research showing that it can increase sexual arousal and satisfaction in both men and women. Incorporating saffron into your routine may significantly boost your sexual health. Ginkgo biloba is well known for its benefits in enhancing sexual health, primarily through its ability to improve blood circulation. This increased blood flow can significantly impact sexual function, leading to better arousal and performance. Additionally, ginkgo biloba has shown potential in alleviating sexual dysfunction related to antidepressant use, helping individuals regain their sexual desire and satisfaction. Research supports its effectiveness, with studies indicating that ginkgo biloba can enhance libido and improve sexual function in both men and women. By incorporating ginkgo biloba into your wellness routine, you may experience a natural boost in your sexual health and overall vitality. L-citrulline plays a significant role in boosting libido and enhancing sexual performance by increasing nitric oxide levels in the body. This process improves blood flow, crucial for achieving and maintaining erections. As a result, L-citrulline can provide notable benefits for erectile function and overall sexual health. Research findings support its effectiveness, with studies indicating that L-citrulline supplementation can lead to improved sexual function and satisfaction in men. By incorporating L-citrulline into your routine, you may experience enhanced blood circulation, leading to a more fulfilling sexual experience and increased libido. It's a promising option for those looking to revitalize their sexual health. Zinc plays a crucial role in supporting testosterone production, which is essential for maintaining sexual function and libido. A zinc deficiency can lead to decreased testosterone levels, negatively impacting sexual health. Incorporating zinc-rich foods into your diet can help boost your sexual vitality. These foods include oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, lentils, and chickpeas. Beyond its benefits for sexual health, zinc is vital for overall health, supporting immune function, wound healing, and cellular metabolism. Ensuring adequate zinc can enhance your libido, overall well-being, and vitality. Foods high in citrulline, such as watermelon, significantly enhance libido by improving blood flow and sexual function. Citrulline is converted into arginine in the body, boosting nitric oxide levels and leading to better circulation. In addition to watermelon, other foods rich in citrulline include cucumbers, pumpkins, and squash. Incorporating these foods into your diet can not only support sexual health, but also provide overall health benefits, such as improved cardiovascular function and reduced muscle soreness. Enjoying various citrulline-rich foods can enhance your libido while promoting your overall well-being. Best natural female libido enhancer. Maca root is one of the best natural supplements for enhancing female libido. Known for its ability to balance hormones and boost energy levels, maca has been shown to improve sexual desire and overall sexual health in women. Other supplements supporting female sexual health include Tribulus terrestris, ginseng, and fenugreek, each offering unique benefits. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. They can help determine the best options tailored to your needs and ensure that any supplements you choose are safe and effective for your health. Best natural male libido enhancer. Tribulus terrestris is one of the best natural supplements for enhancing male libido. Known for its potential to increase testosterone levels, it can significantly improve sexual desire and performance. Other supplements that may support male sexual health include maca root, ginseng, and L-citrulline, each offering unique benefits for libido enhancement. However, it's important to remember that lifestyle factors also play a crucial role in boosting libido. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management can significantly impact sexual health. Combining these lifestyle changes with natural supplements can lead to optimal results in enhancing male libido. In this video, we explored the importance of natural foods and supplements for enhancing libido and overall sexual health. From the benefits of maca root and Tribulus terrestris to the positive effects of zinc-rich foods and citrulline sources, many options are available to support your sexual vitality. We encourage you to explore these natural solutions to improve your sexual health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can promote a healthier and more fulfilling intimate life.